a great day at JEG'S. Thomas had his snowplow fitted. Thomas? Oh, hi Toby. I'm going to sign time station. Well, have a great time. No, thanks. The track was switched, and Toby headed to the steamworks. Meanwhile, Thomas headed to the buffets, and then all of a sudden, he arrived at sign time station. Oh, hi, Mr. Conductor.
Hello, Thomas. Nice to have you here.
Yeah, same here.
Anyways, there's trouble here. Diesel 100's here.
That's not good.
Will you help me?
Oh, sure. Hello, Thomas. Diesel 100? I got you now. Mr. Conductor, hop on.
Okay. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle.
And they disappeared. Huh? Where did they go? Probably to the Iron Sword. P.T. Boomer,
Yes?
time to go. And they too disappeared to the Iron Sword. Thomas and Mr. Conductor collected trucks to take to this metal shop. Then all of a sudden, Diesel 100 was there. I got you too this time.
No, if I can help it.
It's the teapot. Smash him. Oh no.
Diesel 10, did you mean to fall?
I always mean what I do. Oh man. Diesel 100 wasn't done, but the steam engines were right on track. Meanwhile, back at the Sodor Castle, Thomas was with his friends. They did the yacht's engine, Stephen, King the Willie, and Millie. Hi, Thomas. Hey,
Oh, hi, Thomas.
hi. Me and Miss Conductor were being chased by a Diesel 100. He's in a dump right now, but he'll probably be back.
Don't worry, we'll be ready.
Yeah, 'cause we're a team. It's always great to be an engine.
Oh, yes, it's great to be an engine and go steaming along. Hop, hop, hopping along. Beating along. All the people waving as you speed along. Hop, hop, hopping along. All day. And travel through the countryside. We're always brave when the hills do fall. The mountain is great to be an engine as you're steaming along. Hop, hop, hopping along. Beeping along. Fly along the rails as your wheels go round. Whiz, whiz, whizzing around all day.
Hey, thanks for cheering me up. You're okay. You're welcome, Thomas.
Hiya, it's me, PG Boomer.
Oh no, they must have got out for you too.
Bye, Thomas.
No. Oh no.
Goodbye, Yeti.
No.
Goodbye, Millie.
No.
We'll just leave Steven here.
That's a great pain. Not really. We'll take him too.
No.
And now, the Iron Soda belongs to us.
Yeah. Huh?
Never mind. Yeah.
Oh, hi, Thomas.
Oh, happiness soon.
Well, you better get out of here fast.
What? It's me, Diesel 100.
That's right. I gotta go through the buffers to Sunshine Station.
Disappeared. I gotta go too,
Alright, Thomas.
said Stephen King the railway. So Thomas went through the buffers and he too disappeared. 100 followed too. Bye bye, Thomas.
Oh, we're back at Sunshine Station.
Yeah, just in time. I got Thomas, and now you gonna know.
No, you won't, Custin. Never Jesus will get the better of you.
Not this time.
Bye, Jesus.
What happened?
Goodbye.
No! Hospital, teapot, take cover again. Well, he's gone. Let's see how my cousin C. Jr.'s doing at Time Station. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Oh, hi, it's me, C. Jr. I just came back from my vacation again. Anyways, it's great here at Time Station. Anyways, it's Phil. Hello?
This is Sir Toppin Hat.
Oh, hi, Sir Toppin Hat.
So, how are things?
Oh, good. Oh, Nat, there's a 100's back.
After he fell off the viaduct?
I guess so.
Why?
Oh, no. I better call my cousin, Mr. Conductor. Mr. Conductor?
Yes?
And there's a 100 here.
You gotta be kidding. I'll be there as soon as I can. Bye.
Oh, no. Diesel 100's back? How is that possible? Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. I got you now, CJ. Diesel Tim, where are you? I'm in this picture. Huh? He's on the end in the picture. How did that happen? Have you been watching too much Booze Cruise? Huh? Oh, never mind. Now I'm coming out the picture. I'm out of the picture. Funny. Time go down this hill. Here I go. Whoa! Oh, that has got to hurt. Where was that? Oh yeah. Try and get rid of Burnett Stone, Mr. Conductor C. Jr., and those steam engines. How? Of course. I know the perfect person to help you. Hello, Diesel.
Hi, boss.
Anyways, I want you to create the first thing to trap Mr. Conductor, Bennett Stone, C. Jr., and those steam engines so we can scrap them. And we, Diesels, can take off our shoulder again.
I know a perfect distraction.
What is it? So Diesel told him. I like it.
Hope, it's me, Dr. Los Angeles.
Someone's crying for help. Duke the Yas engine. Wait, he's at the old railway. Well, I might as well help him.
Be careful.
Said Stephen King the railway. I will. I'm here.
Hi.
Just kidding. Diesel. Time to scrap you again. No. And Thomas was scrapped. 1 down, 3 to go.
Hi, it's me, Patch, from Suntown Station. I need help.
Hi, Patch.
Hello.
Just kidding. Bye, Eddie.
It's me, the old Soda. I need help.
Hello, Soto. I'll help you. Hello, Soto.
Hello.
Just kidding. Bye, Mary.
It's me, Connor, from the mainland. I need help. Connor? I'll help you. Hello, Connor. Hi.
Just kidding. It's me, Diesel.
Not again.
Yes, again.
Isn't that from Subway Cheese?
Never mind. Goodbye.
No.
Just 3 to go.
Hi, it's me, Barry Two Feathers. I need help. I'm here. Exit.
Just kidding. Bye, Burnett Stone.
No.
2 to go.
I need help. It's me, Mr. J.B. King.
Oh, hi, Mr. J.B. King.
Hello.
Just kidding. It's me, Diesel. Diesel? Goodbye, Mr. Conductor. No.
No.
My God, that's just so good. I'm sorry, Tata. Just need to get his cousin C. Jr. Stephen went in the mine. And unfortunately, he was trapped again.
Oh no, I'm trapped, said Stephen. Help.
All of a sudden, out of nowhere, Mary, Lady, Cody, and Goldie the Goldust engine appeared. Huh? How'd you come back?
By me, Jesus Christ, the tank engine.
Haven't seen you before. Well, no matter. I'll scrap you off.
Nope. Here's heavy dust. No.
No.
Great job, everyone.
Thanks. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Jesus Christ engine.
You're welcome. Well, time for me to go.
and disappear to the steam engine heaven. I wonder if it can be. Those engines who was here was Jesus Christ's engine, and those other engines were angels? Yeah, can be. Hi, Stephen, what I miss? Oh, Jesus Christ's engine was here, and so was Mary, Goldie, Dakota's engine, Cody, and Yeezy. This gonna surprise you, they're angels from the steam engine heaven. I didn't know that. Me either. Well, try and get back to the castle. We are at the castle. Right, Seaworks. Yeah. Okay. I got you this time, C Junior. Huh? What's going on here? Oh, nothing. It's just coal dust. Where was I? Right. Time to defeat you. I'm so smart. I indeed certain. I'm going to get you. If Pink G the Claw, we're both going to get you. Because we are smarter than the Steamies and people on Muffle Mountain and Signing Time Station. We're going to get you. Yes, we are. Because we're smart. We're going to get you. Yes, we are. Because we are smarter than you are. I am Peachy and I'm going to get you. Cause I am very pinchy too. And I'm going to get you, me being the Claw. Because me these 10 are smarter than a ball. We are going to get you. Yes, we are. You are not smart, harder than us. We are smarter than you. Oh, yes, that is true.
Thanks, PG. That was cool. We are going to get you. Yes, we are. We are smarter than you are.
Because we are smarter than you, we will scrap you. Hoo hoo hoo.
We will scrap you. That is true.
Oh yeah, sparkles, sparkles, sparkles.
No.